Today, I'm going to show you what we can do with our beautiful handcrafted products that we have in store right here just for you. Let's go! I'm going to show you what we can do with Gourmet's beautifully versatile handcrafted products in no time at all with the most amazing flavors. Let me show you. My favorite of all, the pasta sauces. Versatile, tasty, and I'm going to give you tons of ideas to do with these really cool items. Mushroom sauce, yum. Creamy, rich, full of flavor. Mushrooms have been sauteed, so they've got bursting with flavor. Really beautiful with a premium Australian quality steak. Beef fillet, beef sirloin, beef ribeye. My favorites, lumpy custard. Woohoo! Steaks. We've got beautiful cuts, freshly prepared by our specialized butchers in stores. And today I'm going to show you how to make the perfect steak. To start with, I'm going to use a beef fillet, chilled Australian beef fillet, available at Gourmet. I think it's the most beautiful cut available. With that, I'm going to gently heat mushroom sauce and sprinkle it with some fresh parsley, and it's a beautiful dinner. Now, let me break down the 101 on cooking steaks. Number one, it must be at room temperature. Don't cook a cold steak. It'll be raw in the inside and cooked on the outside. Number two, use a really hot pan with a relatively thick base on a hot plate. And use good salt and pepper. That's it. Right, so step number one is get out your beautiful, my favorite thing in the world, molten sea salt. It's natural flavor, it brings out the flavor in food, and it's definitely something that every chef or aspiring cook should have in their pantry. Second part is to add some pepper. A couple of months' time. My theory with steaks is keep it simple. The meat speaks for itself, you know, so I really want it to shine. So I'm just going to do salt and pepper, which brings out the flavor, and some oil. Just a little bit, maybe 1 or 2 tablespoons, just to cover the base of the pan, like that. And then I'm going to lay in my steaks that are at room temperature and hear them sizzle away. So sometimes we don't know when our steak is well done, but there's a very simple trick to that. You simply put your fingers together and feel this part here. And this will show you rare. This will show you medium rare. This will show you medium. And squeezing here will show you well done. I strongly suggest that we step away from well done steaks because they are like shoes, and we go for a beautiful medium rare, medium beautiful cut of fillet. No more well done meat. Must be finished. It is the revolution of Lahma. Lahma revolution. Okay. Whilst the steaks are frying in the pan, I'm going to start warming my mushroom sauce. Fresh, beautiful mushrooms made into the most creamiest and tastiest mushroom sauce straight for our steaks. It's really nice, huh? I really like this one, I must say. So I'm going to take them out and let them rest. And this is one of the most important parts with steaks, is to let them rest. If we don't let a steak rest, it will become bloody and not particularly attractive, and it'll become dry. And we do that by taking it out of the frying pan and onto a plate, and we let it rest for about 2 to 3 minutes. And now I'm going to tuck into this delicacy. So 1 steak and our beautiful mushroom sauce. I'm just gonna ladle it on there, watch it swoosh down, and sprinkle it with some parsley, and have an outrageously delicious meal. And don't worry about making sides, because we've got in our stores ready to heat and eat mashed potatoes, as well as ready-made basmati rice. Simple as that. And now for my favorite part. That's really good. I love fillet. And the mushroom sauce, it's beautiful. It's respectful to the beautiful. This is delicious. Make this, it's great.